This is a very unusual dress. Color, the fabric, everything about it is really unusual. And here it says Cecile Beaton by Asher. Now, Cecile Beaton was one of the first female designers in history. So I don't know why her name is all over this dress, but it's a really cool runway looking dress. And the bust is a 36, the waist is a 26, and the length is a 37. And the dress is made to perfection, and it's just like I said, it's really unusual. It's made of silk fabric also. This is silk. Look at that bright purple. And then even in this little bust thing, flower, it has purple in the reverse. It's beautiful. This is what the inside looks like. It says 100% silk, and it has this label. And it has this inside for a perfect fit to strap down with the bust. Love it. Awesome.